Well, hey guys, if you're looking for a small ratcheting wrench set, this is one I highly recommend you check out. This is DURATECH, and number one, I like how they package their items. This is a really cool setup right here, really small and a great thing you could keep in your pack or your truck or your backpack. You can throw it in the backpack, super easy, and it's small, it's not gonna take up a lot of space. So it's really cool in that. But you can see when you open it up, just Velcro right there, opens right up, has the numbers on the bottom. You can see all the way from 8mm to 19. Has a little button right here. You can open that right up. On the top, it does, just have a regular setup right there. Again, regular wrench, easy to use. Then on the bottom, it's actually a little ratchet. So it's really cool. I also like that it's stubby and it's small. You can get all the way to the, the 90 right there. And so that's a really cool option. Again, if you're gonna be working on small areas or even in your vehicle. I know a lot of times I like to do stuff in my vehicle and I have the large ratchet set right over there, but sometimes they are not able to get in there. So it's nice to have a small one that you're able to, slide into your vehicle and get in there, get in tight and stuff like that. I got a couple bolts right here. Wanted just to try out. What size are these? All right there. All right. So this is 13mm. And again, fits right there, right perfect. It has like the grabbers, you can see those right there. So it's nice setup on that one. I've used DURATECH brands and stuff like that before, and they work pretty well. I would say it's more of like, from my perspective and my experience, more of the DIY, kind of thing. You want to, you can definitely use these each and every day. I don't know how long they'll last, but I've used now this brand. I've had a bunch of their tools and stuff like that, and I've used them, and they've worked great for me. I'm not using them every single day, but I'm using them, on the weekends and stuff like that, and it's worked pretty well for me. And so we got another little bit larger option here. Nope. This is, a little nut right here. Yep. So nice, fits in there nice and tight. I like the ratchets. They feel good. Again, they look good, feel good. I like how small they are. And I like having, again, just a wrench on the other end, so you can just making sure if you need to grab it, you can, slide in there and fix it. And then you also have the ratcheting, stuff like that. So I think it's a really cool set. I really like the setup because I have a small stubby set of ratchets in my truck. This is something I could definitely use. And I like having this right here, having it really nice and tight. It folds back up, as you can see. Nice and tight right here. And then Velcroed, and then boom, you got it right there. So you can put this anywhere. If you have a small garage or small space that you store these things in, this is definitely a great one for you. I think they're going to do a good job. Again, a great DIY option. And again, something you could throw in your vehicle. You could even give it to someone as a gift, keep it in their house or whatever. Has so many different uses and functions. I put together a lot of items, such as, from, Amazon and stuff like that. And this would definitely be a great thing because you got all those ratchets and those small little, hard to get to places. Great to have these. You can easily just crank them in there and get it done without having to get the big set out or even having to like get in there with your hands and stuff like that. This way you can fit in there. It's small, it's nice, works really well. I like the brand. They do a great job overall. Highly recommend you check this out. If you're interested, I will have a link down below. You can check it out down there. Feel free to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.